Guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video is going to be all about motivating you to start taking action today. And whatever it is that you're going after, if you're going after, like I do online business. If you're going after some other pursuit that you really want to do, but you keep hearing that inner voice saying, Matt, you must just forget it. You're never going to make it. Well, you know what? Don't listen to that voice. If you truly want it, you're gonna make it happen. You are, and I think if you do that, I think this year is going to be a very good year for you. I really believe that. So you got to keep taking action every day. Don't stop. If you make mistakes, that's fine. You learn from your mistakes and you keep moving forward. So you got to do what you have to do, right? So like anything that you're going after in life, if you don't put the work in, you're not going to get anywhere. So what I want for all of you that are watching my channel right now and watching this video is I want you to start believing. Just close your eyes. I'm not going to close my eyes right now because I'm driving, but close your eyes and say to yourself, it's possible. Just say it's possible. I can make my dream a reality if I'm willing to work for it. So whatever it is that you're doing, if you're doing online business, if you're pursuing some other endeavor online or offline or wherever, you just got to keep being dedicated and you just got to keep moving forward. So this is Matthew Letendre signing off. I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel because I put a lot of motivational stuff out there too. I don't just promote my business on here, but I want you guys to succeed, whether you join me or not. I want you to succeed. So this is Matthew Letendre signing off. Make sure you like this video if you like it. And subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And also, just keep moving forward. Just keep moving forward.